Guys, welcome back to 509. Today we're going to be doing a budget RC car review. Today we got the Storm Thunder by H-Speed, and this was only 40 bucks. And man, for 40 bucks, this is a pretty cool truck. It is 4x4. The shocks are not, oil filled, but dude, you can't complain for 40 bucks. This is pretty good. It is kind of small. It is a 1/18 scale, but like I said, 40 bucks, you can't really complain. It's supposed to go 36 kilometers per hour, which is about 22. You get your charger, remote, and then the truck. So let's pop up the lid and see what we got inside. So it has it's all covered up, but it has a brush motor. The battery, you just pop it in right there, and then your on-off switch. Let's see what else. So here's the different models that they have. So we got that one right there, the blue one, and then they got 6 different kinds. Man, that one actually looks pretty cool. But yeah, like I said, you get your charger, your battery. You need some batteries for the remote. What else? So it says it has ball bearings, high strength shocks, which we're going to be testing it out pretty soon at the skate park. So yeah, just overall, this is a pretty cool truck. I gotta say, this is I'm excited. So I did drive this truck a little bit at home, and I gotta say, man, it's pretty fun. If you're looking, for a Christmas gift or something for your kids or nephews or something, man, I gotta say, this truck is pretty cool. I think whoever gets it, is definitely gonna be happy. You can't really beat 40 bucks for a truck like this. Let's plug in the battery and let's see what I got. Steering's pretty quick. There you go, guys. For 40 bucks, you could get this little RC car and have a blast. As you guys seen, I had some pretty hard jumps and stuff, and everything is still working. Nothing's broke. I thought maybe the shocks would break or something, but yeah, just a few scratches here and there, but Man, this thing held up pretty good. I'm surprised. So there you go, guys. 40 bucks. Go check it out. I'll have a link down below where you could go get it. I believe I bought it from Banggood for 40 bucks. So go check it out. And like always, guys, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.